Hello, my name is Georgia Wilson, and I'm kind of walking you through how I would teach math in 4th grade. And my state standard is linked below in my actual writing. But basically, I'm talking about the standard algorithm, long division, which is not the new current long division. I know that they've changed it, and there's different ways to remember it, but I'm just doing like the older, you know, writing it out in the box and bringing it down and stuff like that. I'm not putting any kids in this video, fortunately, due to time and the schools, spring break. It just didn't have enough time to actually make that happen. And I've also I'm not used to videoing myself, anything like that. So, to get into it, I'm kind of going to explain the process, how I would do it in my mind. I would make sure my students are mastered multiplication. And then the second day, really getting into it, I would explain what long division is, and then have vocabulary. And then what I would do for vocabulary is maybe teach it, have them write it down in their math book, and then I would have like a class game, sort of like a matching, like a definition to match competition, like 2 teams, maybe like coming up to the smart board and, you know, type in what team's the quickest. And then maybe like 2 days later, which is what I'm explaining in the video, I would have them get out their notebooks and I would play them a song that has the vocabulary so they can kind of remember. And then after the video, I also talk about, okay, what is the dividend, what's the divisor, just to see how much they remember. And I wouldn't give them actual word problems, not yet. I would do what I'm about to do, and then after a lesson, I would give them a worksheet with 5 to 10 problems, and then go on from there. And then after, however long it takes them to kind of master that, then I would do division problems. So, to get into it, I have an example, and I've just pre-written this that I'm just gonna go and show you how I would do this.